Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to lock all apps in your iPhone. So when you try and open them, they will require a passcode or Face ID or Touch ID. And once you enter in those details, the app will launch up. So in order to get this started, we need to open up the clock app. Yes, the clock app. From here, we're going to tap on timer. We're then going to tap on when timer ends. We're going to scroll all the way down until we see stop playing. Select this one and then tap on set. From here, we're going to open up the Shortcuts app. This is free from the App Store. It should be built into your iPhone now. Tap on the Shortcuts. And from here, you want to tap on Automation. If you don't have the Automation toggle, you will need to upgrade your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So we'll tap on Create Personal Automation. We'll scroll down until we see App. Tap on App. Then find Choose. And just choose all the apps you want to lock. Okay, you want to lock, I don't know, 1111, you can lock that. You can tap on all these, okay. The only downside is you have to manually tap on them all. Okay, but let's say I want to lock calendar, boom, just lock whatever you want by just tapping on it. From here, we're going to tap on done, and we're going to tap on next. Tap on add action, and from here, we're going to tap on the search. And we're going to search for timer, tap on timer. Now it will say start timer 4, tap on the empty space, type in 1, tap on minutes, and tap on seconds. So it should say start timer for 1 second. Then tap on next, and very important, you turn off ask before running. And now tap on done. So when you want to open up the application in question, it's going to lock after a second. So it opens up the app, plays the time for 1 second. When the timer ends, it will lock your iPhone. And in order to regain access, you have to enter in your passcode. So brought me to the event here. Lovely event, lovely day, every day. YouTube full time. And yeah, that's all there is to it. So thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.